How to log into Roadrunner email account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Or you can head over to Safari if you're on iOS device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Roadrunner email login. Well, the Roadrunner email is also called as Spectrum Webmail. So simply head over to the very first site, Spectrum Webmail. It will land you on the official page of Roadrunner. In this page, what you want to do is simply enter the email address of your account. And if you want them to remember your email address, simply click on this checkbox, Remember Email Address. After that, enter the password of your account. Once you have entered, click on this checkbox of I'm not a robot and click on Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, you will be logged into your Roadrunner email account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log into your Roadrunner email account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next video.